Right guys, this is James back with another video. Right, in this video I'm going to try my best to show you how to install the Iron Man IV mod for PC GTA. Right, the first thing you want to do is make sure you've got a program called OpenIV installed. Now install it. It'll take you through it as you install. You've got to find your X file and it'll ask for it. Browse, you put it in. You pick your game version so it knows where your actual game is installed, and that's done. So once you've done that, shut out of it. You've got to make sure you've got WinRAR installed or some zip file. Right, to download the mod, click the link in the description, come to this page, because it's quite difficult to figure this out. They've changed it. Click the download button, you come to this shit, you're thinking it isn't worked, but that has. You see this, there's a URL up here, you have to click on it, copy it, paste it into the URL bar, takes you to the website where you can actually download it. So once you've downloaded it, you get a zip file like this one here. You've got to extract it. I've extracted it already here. So this is what it looks like when you click in it. Got these 5 files. One of them's a readme, so open the readme. It's a help file. Very handy. Could do it without it. You have to have this. You have to excuse my voice today. I've had a bit of a cold and that, and my voice is a bit sharp, so excuse my voice. I've done this video because people were having trouble, so I thought I'd do it in a way. Right, so what we want to do is open OpenIV, which I've got here. Pick game version. Right, here we go. Right, here's the files. First thing you want to do, guys, remember, read the text file slowly. You will understand it if you go through it slowly, step by step. In the end, you will understand it. Right, the first thing you want to do is click on this thing here in the actual mod pack. It says main files. Yeah, you want to open that. Right, remember, you want to have a fresh install of the game and check that it's actually working and make sure it's a clean install that works. So you've got your best chance of getting it to work. Right, then you want to find your game files. So you want to go to your game files. It's normally in your program files x86 or your Steam app folder. So I found mine here. So all you want to do is click in it, your GTA folder, and that's it. Got this. You can see the GTA X files. Should look something like that. So all you want to do, guys, is drag all these files except the top one, or the common folder. You see that? Every file except the common. Drag them in, let them go, copy and replace if it pops up everything, and then once that's done, you want to go into this common folder here, and then you want to go in your games folder and find the common folder. I find this way is the best. There. Right. See data and the data, so you want to go in the data folder there, and then you want to go in the data folder in your games folder. You come up with this, and then you want to drag these last two into here. Then you let them go, copy and replace, guys. And now you're ready to actually start the mod. I mean, drag the mod files in. So, right, don't need this open anymore. Right, now you're going to have to read the instructions. What did the instructions say? Let's have a look. They say, here we go. Open OpenIV, which we've done there. Choose your game version, we've done. Open the anim file. So where's the anim file? It's there, anim, open. And then it says open anim img. So there's anim img. You open it. Then it says click the edit mode. So what we do is click edit mode. And then you have to click yes. Then you know that it's going to work. You've done that, so you can drag your files in and it saves. You should check that every time. So what does it say next? It says, in your Windows Explorer, which is this, where you got your mod files, open the folder animations. So let's go to the mod folder. Here we go. Right, this is the first bit. Animations. Open animations. And then it says you drag and drop it in. So what you do is you drag that into there. You let it go. Seems like it's done fuck all, but trust me, it's gone in there and it's saved. Then you go to the next bit. It says open models folder. So we go back, look for models. There's the models folder. Then what does it say? Open CMG images. So that's the next folder, CMG images. Then it says open componentes or whatever it's called. You can read that. Can't pronounce it. So what we're going to do, open that. And then it says click edit. So we have to click the edit mode. Nothing happened. So I click it a second time just to make sure. And the box pops up which you want. Press yes. And then you know it's going to work. So what did it say here? In Windows Explorer, open the folder Armors. Windows Explorer, here, Armors. Then it says select all the WDD files, WFTs and WTD files. Drag the files in. So that isn't one, is it? So all these other files are all the way down. What we want to do is drag all these files, not the top one, just all the white one. Drag them in like that, guys. Let it go. It seemed like it may have done fuck all. Might hear your hard drive spin up a bit, but it's definitely worked. Right, you want to go back. Right, click the next one. The next bit says, right, it says, here it goes, to install the shield agents. Open folder, CMG images, we're already in that. Open componentes, whatever. My pronunciation is terrible. Too early. Right, so it's the same folder we're in, that one. So I'm going to go back in that. Check the edit modes on. There we go, press yes. And what does it say? In Windows Explorer, open the folder Armors. Shield Agents. Right. Armors. There's the Shield Agents, the one we didn't do last time. And there's all the folders you drag in. Drag them all in, guys, like that. Let it go. Seems like it's done fuck all, but it's worked. Then you go back. Read the next bit, which is the last bit, I think. Right, open CMG images, we're in there. Open file vehicles, IFGs. Oh, there's the vehicle one. Open that. Click the edit mode, edit. Edit, yes, okay, we know it's going to work. So what does it say for this one? It says, in Windows Explorer, open the folder APC. So we go back to the main bit, there's the APC folder in our mod files, go in there. There we go, guys, look, you see? Don't worry about the common folder, nothing to do with it. Drag all these bottom folders in, the WTDs and WFT files, drag them in like that, guys, and let them go, and it's done. I think that's the last one. It's the last one. So what you want to do is exit out of it. Shut this down. Like that. Shut down. You close your mod files. Right. And then this gets your installation folder. If you're still having problems now, there's a few things you can try. Try and fix them. Right, let's find my folder. It's in a different place. Right, go in the folder, find the Launcher X. Well, that's not it. Right, find your Launcher X and your GTA X. Try changing them both to compatibility mode Windows 7. That doesn't work. Try running them both as administrator. If it still doesn't work and you don't get in the game, guys, I'm not sure you're running out of ideas. Now, I use a little file that when I launch my game, my game's a Steam version, but I don't need Steam. It doesn't open when I launch my game. Also, I don't have that Windows crap pop up. and I can use old save files and things like that without having all that compatibility crap. Now the file I use for that is called xLiveDLL. Now I'm going to put the link in the description to show you what the file is. It's simple to use this, guys. It may be why my mod works and yours don't, but don't try it till last. Unless you don't want to use fucking Games Windows Live and all that shit, which, quite frankly, most people don't. So when you download it, guys, this is what you'll come up with. Come up with a folder like this. It's a RAR file. Got to extract it. And then in it there's 3 files. The only file you want is this one, xLiveDLL. All you got to do is drag that in to your game folder, and you're done. If you just YouTube xLiveDLL GTA, it'll probably tell you exactly what it is. So there we go, guys. I hope it works for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment if you've got any problems, and I will try my best to help you out. I can't promise I'm going to be able to get it to work for you, but this is what I done. Slowly read it all, made sure I done it all correctly, and it works. So I don't see why any of you shouldn't be able to get it to work, especially if you're running the same game version as me. Now the Liberty City one I'm not sure about. Apparently it says in these files that it does work for Liberty City, and I've seen people using it, so it should work for Liberty City also. So there you go, guys. I've done this video even though I'm feeling ill. My voice is absolutely fucked. So peace out.